Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Cortives, and in this video we learn what is the CSV files and how we can read and edit these files on Python. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Let's go! Okay guys, first step is learn what is the CSV file. CSV is an icon of comma separated values. It's a file format that you can use to store tabular data such as in a spreadsheet, and you can also use in a store data from a tabular database, and you can refer to each row is a CSV file as a data record. Each data record consists of one or more fields separated by comma. Okay guys, we know what is the CSV file, and in this step we read a CSV file and edit it. Okay, we need first step is we need a data file with CSV type. Okay, I place this file link on description, and you can download and work with this one. Okay, this one is a database. You can see that they have a columns, duration, pulse, max pulse, and calories, and this is a rows 1 2 3 4, and you can work on CSV file on Excel, and you can see it on very easy on Excel. Okay, for read this file and print it on your terminal, you need a module that's name is pandas. Okay, pandas. And if you don't have this module, you can go to the terminal and type pip install pandas, or go to the terminal and again pip install pandas, and you can see I have this module. Okay, and next step is place your file in a value. Okay, I type db equal pandas dot read CSV, and here in parentheses you need type your file name. For example, my in a quotation, for example, my file name is data.csv. Okay, and last part is print db. Here, if you run, you can see that's print in your file, but first 5 line and last 5 line of your database and your file. Okay, if you like to see all of your database and your files, you can see you can type dot on db dot to a string and parentheses. Okay, if you print again, you can see all of your file is here, and your app can print it on terminal. Okay, in this step we edit data base or your file. Okay, if I print again my app, you can see again this file, and you can see none on calories column. Okay, you can see on 141 that's a nan, or 118 and or 120. Okay, 70 is a nan and 27 is a nan. Okay, what is the nan file? Okay, if you like to know this, you can go on your CSV file. Okay, and you can see in line 19 is empty, or 29, or here 93 line, or 120. Okay, we know nan data is empty. if your CSV file on of one of the places and location has empty in printing, that's a none. Okay, if you like to delete all of the lines have none data or empty data, you can type db dot drop na and here. Okay, if you print again your app, you can see the none has here. Why? Because you don't place in place equal true. Okay, run again my app. You can see all of the none data has deleted. For example, we don't have a line number of 77 17 or 141 here, 140, 142. We don't have line of number 141. Okay, this is for delete all of the lines have empty data. What's the in place equal true? If you don't type this one and in parentheses is empty, you need place in a value. For example, a equal db.drop_na, and here you need to print a dot to a string, and you can see that's print a, and that's none is okay, that's none data is deleted. But you can type db.drop_na in place is true. In placing the drop_na database to your first value. Okay, that's for deleting none and empty data on your database. If I like to in place a number or a data to none and empty data, what can I this work? That's this pandas and this module have a method named fill na. You can see, and first step is your value. For example, I need 10 and in place is true. And again, if I print this file, you can see here, for example, 141 is here is 10, or 118 that's here is 10, or 27 here, 27 10, and 17 that's 10. Okay, but for example, you need the average of all of your datas in, for example, a calories column or duration column, and you can fill a on here. Okay, if you like to the average all of your datas and paste it on none data and empty data, you need type db, for example, on calories. Okay, if I go out on calories here, dot mean. Okay, and I need to place it in a value. Okay, and here you need to mean. Okay, if you print again, you can see that's placed average of all of your data on calories column, and but that's a very long number. If you need to that short number, you can use round method, and that's round your number. For example, 2 with 2 float. Okay, you can see that's nice. On 141 you can see 375, in here 375, or again here 375, and here 375. Okay, and you can delete here and db.mean, not color is column, and you can see that's changed here. Okay, 141, but that's okay, because you need the calories, and then that's none, and empty data is on calories column. Okay, oh, min.2. okay, next one is the median. That median is the mid of max data and mean data. For example, I talk to you and I say a mid number of 5 and 3. You say 4, and this method has work on this one. Okay, that's a median equal db, for example, on calories column, because that's all of the non and empty data on this column. db calories dot median and index 0. But why index 0? I say it, and you need to fill an A. Okay, I click here. Okay, fill an A, and here that's a median, and you don't need to round these numbers. Okay, if I click on here, oh, okay, please wait, that's median. Okay, you can see that's work here, and you can see 141. Oh, I don't comment this one. Okay, again, I'm sorry. Here you can see here 141 line, that's 318, or here 70 is 318, 27 is 318. Okay, and the last method of fill NA is the mode. Mode is most placed data in your database. For example, the 10 of the data has 100. This method places 100 in the non and empty data. Okay, I play mode equal db index calories. Oh, calories dot mode, and here index 0. I say why we need type index 0, and last one is fill NA. Okay, and here you need to mode. Okay, if you print your app, you can see in 141 is 300, 180 is 300, and 70 is 300, 16 is 300, 27 is 300. Okay, now why I type index 0? Okay, in this method, if your database have two most number, for example 10 of 1000 data and 1000 200 data, this index get first one, for example 100. Okay, that's working here. Okay, if I type 1, again you can see you can't type 1, just 0, and finally okay, I don't know. Okay, you can see, don't type this one, but you can see that's none. Why? Because you don't have which number, index 0, index 1, index and you can see index 0 has where is 141? Okay, here 141, and you can place it and in place it to your empty and NaN data here. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. I place my CSV file and this file link to my description, and you can download it and work on these files. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.